Seaweeds ka ba? Kasi ikaw ang nagpapa-sewage ng buhay ko. Hi guys! So, it simply means Hepelgo and welcome back to another video. So on this episode, I am going to show you how I make the Korean birthday soup or what we call Myeokguk soup. Myeokguk or seaweed soup is non-spicy Korean soup and considered as traditional eaten after giving birth in Korean. If you are interested in my video, just keep on watching. So let's get started cooking na! Dried seaweed. So I need to soak in water for 30 minutes so that it will expand, and then I will gonna make seaweed soup later. Okay, so let's get started. So simply remember this, that you are special, keep on dreaming, believe in yourself, and you will be success. So, annyeong, dami to ba? See you on my next video. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that every time I posted on my new video or new vlogs, you will be updated. So, thank you so much!